for these cones because again, it's pretty tight.
Just getting onto the cars.
Yeah, it's pretty tight getting onto here. And you see how that car was waiting. We're giving them each other some space because it's a big track. We're leaving some space, and I'm going to follow out with them. So the first thing you look for is the green cone right here, and now you can start to accelerate to the orange over here on the wall. And look at the orange way down there. That's your next marker. See the orange straight in the middle?
Yes.
That's your turn cone. Remember, orange is placement. Put the car at the orange.
And now you turn.
Now you turn. Yellow is lift. Red is squeezing some brakes. Again, waiting for this orange cone. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Turn it on in. And I'm gonna go around this guy real quick. Again, wait for the orange. Turn it into the green.
There's no way to
Roll in the gas up the hill. Now this is a blind hill, but see how I'm dead in the middle of the track and pointed straight? That's what I want you to do, because you'll see the orange right in front of you on the other side.
Yeah.
So just put it in the middle of the track and point straight. Go wait for the orange cone, turn it to green.
Feels good.
All the way on up here to orange.
Holy moly.
Into green. Back to this side green. And I should have said, lap 1, I'm going to go slow here and show you the track. Lap 2, I'll give it a little more speed to show you what it's going to feel like. And lap 3, do not try at home. Orange into green. A little bit of brakes down the hill. See this orange right here?
Yep.
Wait for it. Turn it to green. Roll in the gas. Yellow is lift. Yellow, you're going to lift. Wait for orange. Turn to green.
Great.
And a little bit of brakes. Come out through here. Roll into the gas. Wait for this orange. You'll turn it into green. Roll into it. Roll into it. And as hard as you want. All the way to yellows. Yellows left. Squeeze the brakes. And it's going to feel weird, but I want you to stay on the top of the racetrack all the way to this orange cone.
Yep.
The reason why is look how good of an arc it gives me around this green.
Oh, wow.
If you turn in before it, you're going to be pointed right at the cone. Go to this side, green. How you guys doing?
Good. Fantastic.
Orange into green. Roll in the gas. And accelerate to orange. And all the way to yellow. Yellow will be left. Squeeze on that brake. And hold it. Now look, I turned before the orange cone. Look where I'm facing.
Right.
I'm facing the tire wall, and now I got to crank that wheel. So wait for that orange cone. Roll into that gas. And again, over the hill, I want you to point the nose straight. Just point it straight. Look for that orange cone. Squeeze the brake down the hill. Wait for orange. Turn it all the way down to the green. Eyes are up to orange. Waiting for it. Into green. Back to this side. Let it come all the way out to the flags. And then back to orange. Straight in front of your nose. Go right at this. Break the straight line. When you get there, turn it on down. Again, wait for the orange cone. Turn it on in. Roll in that gas to yellow. The left. Orange and green. A little bit of brakes here. And the reason why is you want to stay 3 feet off of this. And this curb is really nasty. So stay 3 feet. Look how big it is.
Whoa.
3 feet away. And now I'm going to go real slow. I want this car to get away so we can have a good quick lap.
Holy smokes.
And we're going to roll into it, and now we won't. Don't try this at home.
Nice.
Lift, squeeze that brake.
Squeeze. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I thought I was fast.
Oh my Lord. Oh, my stomach.
That's awesome.
Roller coaster.
Oh my God.
Roller coaster time.
Oh, that turns great.
a little bit.
Wow.
And now when your instructor says it's time to pit and you finish lap number 3, you'll go nice and slow. You'll pass this first entrance right here, go to the blue and orange cones,
Okay.
and see where he's stopping right there for pictures. You're gonna stop right there for those pictures. So make sure your hair is all ready to go. And then your instructor will tell you where to park the car after the pictures.
Okay.
So, a couple things to remember.